Hello. Allow me to shove some knowledge up your brain. Let's talk about biology. All living organisms need energy to stay alive, and the energy comes from a fancy process called respiration. It is a chemical reaction that breaks down nutrient molecules such as glucose in living cells to release energy. The energy is also called ATP, but you could just say energy. Some people still confuse respiration with ventilation. Remember, ventilation is breathing and respiration is a chemical reaction that releases energy. Anyway, let's just talk about different types of respiration. There are two types of respiration, there's one that requires oxygen and there's one that does not. Aerobic respiration uses oxygen. Our body combines glucose with oxygen to create carbon dioxide and water. This process generates energy and about 38 ATP molecules are released. This process usually takes place inside the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. But our body has a second option. For example, when you're exercising, your body might not be able to deliver enough oxygen to your muscles. This is when anaerobic respiration happens. It releases energy by breaking down glucose and releasing energy. And lactic acid. Lactic acid is, as you might have guessed, acidic. This substance will build up and make you experience pain and tiredness. But they get broken down once you start aerobic respiration. Oh, this one only releases 2 ATP molecules compared to 38 ATP molecules that could be generated through aerobic respiration. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot to talk about this. So when you are experiencing cramps, the lactic acid is diffused into the bloodstream from your muscles and is taken to the liver. The liver will combine it with oxygen to break it down. But since it needs oxygen to do this, you will have to breathe faster. This is oxygen debt. To be fair though, aerobic respiration is really good for us. It can release a lot of ATP molecules for us and it's more efficient than anaerobic respiration. Also, anaerobic respiration is a method adored by bacteria and archaea that live in low oxygen environments. We're not done. Let's talk about fermentation. Fermentation is another anaerobic pathway to break down glucose. The word equation is glucose to ethanol and carbon dioxide. Us monkeys, I mean humans, loved using this process to produce some tasty stuff since the Neolithic age. Pickled cucumbers, kombucha, kimchi, yogurt, wine, etc. But that is complex stuff we don't really have to know. Just remember that fermentation is used to make some delicious looking bread.